Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be making some Caribbean style vegan soup or Ital soup. Do keep in mind that the full ingredients will be on my blog. You can find the link in the description box below. So let's get started. The first step is to prepare our coconut milk. So I went ahead and break the coconut in half, remove the water, and now I'm removing the outer shell from the coconut. Now I'm just going to roughly chop everything, and this will help with the blending process later on. In the meantime, I'll be starting on my red kidney beans because it does take a longer time to cook. Now I'm preparing my coconut milk. So I went ahead and placed the coconut into a blender, and now I'm adding water. I'm just going to blend that together until it becomes liquefied. Next, I'm going to place a blended portion into a strainer, and I'm going to squeeze the excess milk from the coconut trash, and I'm going to continue to pour water onto the coconut trash and squeeze until I get around 6 cups of coconut milk. Once your coconut milk is finished, go ahead and add it to your red kidney beans. Also, go ahead and add some pumpkin if you have pumpkin, and add your scotch bonnet pepper at that point as well. I forgot to. And here I am cutting up some Caribbean sweet potato, some regular potatoes, and some yams. And I'm going to place that into the pot as well. And do keep in mind that you can add whatever you want. There's no rules to what you can add and what you cannot add. It's your soup. Go ahead, add what you like. Here I'm adding some okra, some green onions, and some thyme to the pot, and I went ahead and chopped that up. I also will be adding a soup mix. You can add whatever soup mix you like. I am using Maggie's soup mix, and I'm going to add the okra and the thyme and the green onions to the pot, and I'm going to cook for about 10 minutes, and basically your soup is complete. And once it's done, it should look like this. So thank you for watching. Go ahead and like this video, comment, and subscribe for more videos as well.